The new OPPO F21 Pro revolutionized the design language of the OPPO F series. For the first time, we introduced a bold, oversized dual-camera setup to the F series. This time, we brought a brand new color, a brighter orange, more vibrant than any other color on the market. We named it the Sunset Orange. Sunset orange, leatherette cover, and a flat edge design. These are the coolest fashion elements of this season. To reinterpret the trend on a smartphone design, we went through thousands of leather patterns and finally found the perfect texture on a smartphone case, the lychee gray. We further enhanced the vegan leather material with a new processing technology, the industry's first integrated fiberglass leather molding process. Through heat and pressure, we created a sleeker and tougher comprehensive one-piece cover. The thickness of the leatherette cover is reduced from 0.8mm to 0.6mm, without compromising the ability to withstand harsh conditions. The final back case is tested more than 200,000 times to ensure ours is a class-leading, scratch-proof, durable vegan leather bag. In addition to resisting the friction of jeans, it can also resist the liquid splash caused by daily disinfection or prevent the wear caused by the friction of dry and wet cloth. After tireless efforts, the quality and functionality met and exceeded the highest standard of OPPO, guaranteeing 3 years of a seamless experience and usage. The exquisite details of bold design and great functionality make this masterpiece. Here we present to you the fantastic OPPO F21 Pro.